Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to save models to My Library, a dedicated space where your team can store, organize, and access all of your favorite models. If you're part of a team, you can also use My Library to share models and collaborate with your teammates. If you're just getting started or need help finding relevant content, check out our video on exploring the BioDigital human library. Once you have found one or more models you'd like to keep, there are several ways to save them to your library. From Explore, hover over the model tile, click the three dots, and select Save this model. If you'd like to preview the model first, open Quick View, then click Save this model from there. You can also save a model directly from the View page by clicking Save in the upper right corner of the page. If you're already customizing a model in Human Studio, you can save it there anytime using the Save button in the upper right corner. Need to save multiple models? Use the Select tool in Explorer to save them all at once. Before the model is added to your library, you'll have a few saving options to choose from. First, you can give the model a custom title or keep its original one. If you're a member of a team with a creator or administrator role, you can also choose whether to save the model to your private library or your team library. Models saved to your private library are only visible to you. Models saved to your team library are visible to everyone on your team, but the model permissions setting determines what your teammates can do with the model. View Only allows everyone on your team to open and use the model, but only administrators can make any changes to it. View and Edit allows creators and administrators to both view and edit the model. We recommend using this option only when you're actively collaborating on a model with teammates. If your organization uses them, you can also save the model to one or more collections, which works similarly to folders or tags for organizing your team's content. If you're saving from the View page, you can also choose to save any changes you've made while exploring the model, such as structure visibility or chapter starting positions, without opening it in Human Studio. To view the models you've saved, click My Library in the top menu. Here, you'll find your private library, followed by your team library. If your team uses collections, you can view all models or browse a specific collection. If you know the name of your model you're looking for, use the search bar to find it quickly. You can also use the filter button next to the search bar to narrow your results by permissions, such as Owned by Me, View and Edit, or View Only. By default, models are sorted by most recently saved, but you can also sort them alphabetically by title or owner. Once you've found your saved model, click the tile to open it, or hover over the tile and select Quick View to preview it. From there, you can open the model in Human Studio to customize it or publish and share it. We'll cover both workflows in separate videos. Keep in mind that any changes you make in Human Studio will update the shared model for everyone with access. If you'd like to create a separate copy instead, hover over the model tile, click the three dots, and select Duplicate. Need to save a model in another language? Before saving, switch languages using the flag icon on the Explore page. This ensures the model is saved in your selected language, and then you can customize or publish it as needed. Alternatively, you can set a default language for your account settings so models always open in your preferred language. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, click the help icon in the upper right corner of the screen to visit our Help Center, or contact our team directly.